You meet some stranger at North Star Mall. Had you met him before North Star Mall?
Yeah, so we went to chill one day and he was with him, so we just
Okay, I don't understand a word you're saying. You're mumbling.
mom,
Do you have any children?
no man.
Yes. You're not ready. It's a lot of work and it takes money. You're charged with theft for property, $2,500 to $30,000. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a right, after reviewing state's exhibits one and attachments, the court will find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court would defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. I have questions.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how do you know this person?
I met him at North Star Mall.
So, some guy from North Star Mall that you just met picks you up and takes you to his house to shower and change clothes.
You know,
So, you meet some stranger at North Star Mall. Had you met him before North Star Mall?
Yeah.
Okay. So, how do you know him?
because my homeboy knows him. So we went to chill one day and he was with him, so we just
Okay. I don't understand a word you're saying. You're mumbling.
my homeboy, like one of my friends, he knows him, and we went to go chill, and then he was with him, so we all got to know each other.
At North Star Mall.
Yes, ma'am.
And then from North Star Mall, this person that you just met with your friend took you back to his place.
No, that happened like weeks after.
All right. So you meet him for a little bit at North Star Mall. Then weeks after you meet him again.
Yeah, like we went to chill at his
Went to
crib.
what?
We went to go chill at his crib.
So you and your friend went to chill with him at his crib.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And then what ends up happening?
And then we got into an argument, so I took his car.
Who is we?
Me and the person that
So why does that mean you take his vehicle because you got in an argument with him? And that's not what the police report says.
that's what happened.
No, the police report says victim stated that suspect had been invited over to the location where he could stay for a day and shower while getting victim's clothes. Victim stated that upon getting back to the apartment, suspect, that's you, had told victim he was in an argument with his girlfriend and needed to go. From there, suspect would take victim's vehicle without his consent. Per victim, per victim, suspect did not have consent to take the vehicle or his keys. So that's what it says. So you're saying that's not what happened?
No, ma'am.
All right, because it seems like he wasn't there. At least that's the way this police report is written. And it says that you got in an argument. I don't know who his girlfriend is because this is the way it's written. I don't know if it's supposed to be the victim's girlfriend or the suspect's girlfriend.
I mean, Your Honor, I guess the way I understand it, they're all hanging out together at an
Mhm.
apartment.
Okay.
I think, were you saying that you didn't think that it said that the complaining witness was present at the same time?
Yes, because they're saying that it says victim stated that upon getting back to the apartment, suspect had told the victim he was in an argument with his girlfriend and needed to go. And from there, suspect just took his vehicle and left.
The way I took the story coming from my client and the way I read it, I can understand that. I guess if we were to take it down to particulars, there might be some contradicting,
Mhm.
but I think just the way that the report was written after the fact
Okay.
in sort of a prosecution guide format, I think all those things probably fit in together.
No,
Yeah.
I'm just trying to figure out what
Okay.
conditions to set for
Okay.
him. So what you said you all were hanging out. What were you doing there?
Just watching movies, smoking
Smoking.
marijuana.
All right. And what else?
That's it.
And what's up with all these tattoos?
I like that too.
Well, no, I mean, what do they mean?
This one, my homeboy gave me that name before he passed away. This from my auntie. This is trust and struggle, and the rest is like Bible scriptures.
All right. And then the 2K, what do you say that is?
My homeboy gave me that before he passed away because I always used to go to his crib. We used to play basketball, play 2K on the game all the time. Like that's what I like to do.
So, I mean, Is that just something he did or he knew he was passing? What?
No, that's just like, he just gave me like, he just started calling me that, so I just started going by it.
Okay. And then the above the eye?
It says Lamarcus, that's my dead brother,
Okay. So how old are you?
18,
Where is your family?
in San Antonio.
Well, I mean, where are they in your life? Why are you picking up cases and hanging out with people who it doesn't appear that any of them mean you any good because you all are just hanging out smoking marijuana?
No, my mom, she cares. It's just I wasn't at the crib at the time. She don't know what I was doing.
Hmm. And did you graduate from high school?
Yes, ma'am.
So what have you been doing with the rest of your life?
When I was out, I was working at Six Flags. And I had just got my ID.
So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
Hopefully, get out, try and see if Six Flags could accept me, work up some money, try and get my driver's license, get a car, and just. But man, I'm gonna try and work at Foot Locker. I like shoes, so
Do you have any children?
no, man.
Yes. You're not ready. It's a lot of work and it takes money. So don't have children right now. You need to take care of this.
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't want to see you back here saying, I have a baby on the way because you're not ready. Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. There's $1,000 fine that will be probated. There's to be no contact with Donovan Taylor. And do you live with your mother?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's going to be partial GPS for employment and any educational things that may pop up for him. Waive fees. And that's going to be GPS with a curfew.
And Your Honor, if he had employment that kept him out past that, would that be an exception or would that be part of it?
Oh, that would be an exception,
Okay.
but he had better have proof that he has employment.
Yes, ma'am.
And they've started closing the mall early, so,
Sure, yeah.
and don't get a job at a place that's open 24/7 because 10 p.m. But I'll look into it. But if it's just he is obtaining employment specifically so he can be out past curfew. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled, just one moment, probation, just 1 second. There should be 2 years deferred adjudication. We could go off the record. In this courtroom, communication is key. Stay in contact with your probation officer. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything that you do in your life from here on out while you're on probation in this court, if there's something where you're like, should I do this? Should I not do this? You need to ask yourself, is this something that could potentially result in my going to prison, state jail, felony prison for 2 years? If the answer is yes, don't do it. If the answer is maybe, don't do it. That should be at the forefront of your mind. Your attorney will tell you, I don't take any joy to send people to prison, but I have sent young people to prison. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And Miss Abrams, can you see about a gang evaluation? All right. Thank you.